So here we've cut it in half, and you can see the arrangement of the disc flowers. And here they are in a close-up. They bloom in a Fibonacci spiral, and Fibonacci is a whole talk all by itself. But here's one of those flowers all by itself.
Should all these groups
on a sunflower eating type of plant underneath the flower that would develop into the seed that we eat. And here is one ray flower, what a lot of people would call a petal, and it's a complete flower in and of itself. It's important to look at symmetry in flowers. So this is our Mimulus guttatus. It's our secret monkey flower native, and it's bilateral symmetry. You can only divide it in one place to have one half mirror the other. I'm an example of bilateral symmetry. And here's our native blue-eyed grass, Sisypheum bellum. This is a radial symmetry. So everything radiates out from the center of the spokes of the wheel. And whichever axis you choose to divide it on, that half will mirror the other.
But they don't let they'll let like someone else get away with it. Probably the only thing they let.
When drawing,
but if it's someone Islamic or Middle Eastern,
you can draw the outside circle,
it's like I shouldn't say Islamic. That's not a culture. But you get what I'm trying to say. They'll call them
the centers of the petals go, or maybe how wide those petals are going to be. Also, a lot of petals have a midrib, just like the leaf does, because evolutionarily they come from a leaf structure. If you have a flower with really wide petals, like our flannel flower, Fremontodendron, then